do these 5 things to make your engine last forever. Welcome back, everyone! For today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can make your engine last a very long time. This is something that a lot of people want to know, so we finally got around to making this video for you guys. We've gone Navi, going over 5 things that you can do to help your engine last a lot longer. Let's get right into it. Number 1, change your oil regularly. Now, this should go without saying, but you need to be changing your oil regularly. If you don't, you're going to have all kinds of issues with your engine. You're going to be replacing parts way more often than you need to. And really, the main thing is just to keep up with your oil changes. If you do want to know how to check your oil, or you do want to know how often you should be checking it, just look in your owner's manual. It will tell you exactly how often you need to change it based off of the type of driving you do. Now, if you drive a lot in dusty environments, or you read doing a lot of towing, or you read just generally doing a lot of hard work with your vehicle, you might need to change your oil more frequently. If you're just driving around town and you're not doing a whole lot, you could probably get away with changing it every 3,000 miles. But again, it all depends on the type of driving that you do. No! 2. Don't abuse your engine. This is another one that should go without saying, but you need to be easy on your engine. Do UNT be revving it up to 8,000 RPMs when you're just trying to get on the highway. Don't be flooring it when you don't need to. Just take care of your engine and it will take care of you. If you abuse your engine, it's gonna start to break down a lot faster. Your engine components are only going to last so long! And if you're constantly abusing them, you're gonna find yourself rebuilding your engine or replacing components far sooner than you should? No. 3. Keep up with all of your scheduled maintenance. Now, this is very important. There's a reason why we call scheduled maintenance preventative maintenance. It's because it helps to prevent problems from occurring. If you're keeping up with your scheduled maintenance, you gonna find that small little problems that could potentially turn into big problems. Get fixed before they become big problems. It also allows your car to maintain its value. If you're keeping up with all of your scheduled maintenance and you decide to sell your car, you're going to be able to get a lot more money for it than if you had neglected all of that scheduled maintenance. So, it really does pay to keep up with it. And like I said before, if you don't know what is considered scheduled maintenance on your particular vehicle, just look in the owner's manual. It'll tell you exactly what needs to be done and how often it needs to be done. No. 4. Use the correct fluids. Now, this is another one that seems like it should go without saying, but you need to be using the correct fluids in your vehicle. The manufacturer knows best when it comes to what type of fluids you should be using in your vehicle. So, if the manufacturer recommends synthetic oil, then you should be using synthetic oil. If they recommend a particular type of coolant, then you should be using that coolant. Do UNT try to use anything other than what the manufacturer recommends, because it could potentially cause problems with your engine and shorten its life. And no! 5. Don't ignore warning lights. Now, this is another big one. If you see a warning light, come on, don't just ignore it. Pull over as soon as it's safe to do so and figure out what the problem is. The reason why warning lights exist is to let you know that something is wrong so you can get it fixed before it becomes a bigger problem. If you ignore these warning lights, you gone. Find yourself in a situation where you end up causing catastrophic damage to your engine, which could have been prevented had you just paid attention to that warning light. So there you go. Those are 5 things that you can do to help make your engine last a lot longer. Hopefully this video was helpful. We want to thank you guys so much for watching it. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a thumbs up. It really does help us out. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them down below. We do love getting to answer as many of those as possible. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.